Hello, so today I'm going to show you, but it's actually the first Symphony video. I don't particularly want it to be because of the actual edit, but you know, can't really do this, well you can do this other times, but I'm kind of do this now, so I thought I'd show you. So, show you how to take off a Nukeproof Pulse 2014 rear wheel. It should apply to most other generations, certainly 12, 13 and 14 of course. It should apply to all of them. Sorry if there's no background noise, I'm in the middle of a suburban area just because that's where I live. So what you're going to need is 5mm Allen key and a 6. You shouldn't need anything else besides these two. So firstly, as you probably see, completely dead. There's no chance of getting anything back in that. So grab the lowers, grab swing arm, spin. It's the easy part. So now, what I'm going to do first, 5mm, me, that's the silver one. See, silver one, 5. Undo the pinch bolts. Okay, don't need to undo them a lot, but undo them enough so the metal, this bit of metal, doesn't expand anymore. That does it. So you can see I'm undoing that and the metal is not moving at all. Same to the other side. I always remember the rule righty tighty lefty loosey, but I never remember that. I always just do trial and error. So those are now sufficiently loosened. And this is the bit that people, well, from me, get confused about. So, take your 6 and you pop it in. Okay, that's straightforward. And you see, if I start turning it, this part here, this block, will start to move out. If I do that, you can see it's moving. So keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, and it will fall out. That's the easy bit. I could always get this far, and I couldn't get any further, and I couldn't work out why. For some reason this, the opposite, would never pop out, and I just couldn't work it out. But I found a way to do it, also using a 6mm Allen key. So, I need to give this bucket clean. So, what you need to do is get an Allen key, pop it in between your rotor and there, so you want to make sure that's actually on the block, like that, and all you're doing is using it as a wrench. Okay, so a little bit at a time, leave, and pop. You have an axle, and your wheel can, once you've got rid of the derailleur, pop out like so.